Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing part 2 to battling Prodigy Pro, so let's just get into the video. This is on his birthday live stream. So yeah. Okay, so we are actually in a battle with him. This is going to be very fun. We'll start it off with Wall Cannon. The answer is 3. And he actually sent me the battle request. I didn't send him the battle request. He sent me it, which is very cool. You might be able to hear him in the background right now. Okay, so I think he went with Iron Cannon. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think he just went with Iron Cannon. So we'll try Iron Cannon. Let's see. Yes, okay, good. He used Wall Cannon and took us out. Okay, so hopefully he goes with his pet. Let's see what he goes with though. Yes, sir. I'm not sure what moves this pet has. Hopefully it doesn't have Iron Cannon, but let's see. If it has Iron Cannon, then that's... Okay, it has... Oh, okay. Okay, we do good damage though, which is good. What just happened? What just happened? Hopefully we didn't just glitch out or something, because that'd be bad. Well, let's see what happens. So what I think happened is that we just had battle crash, but not sure why we would have battle crash. Normally stuff like this happens during a stream, but I'm not going to leave because I am a big boy and I want to win against Prodigy Pro. Okay, and we win by default. He left. Kinda sad, but yeah, at least we just beat him. And yeah, that's basically gonna end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna be doing a video where I battle Prodigy Prince. That'll probably come out around like the 26th because I'm going to be going out of town. So I'm gonna be like uploading videos during the time that I'm away. Just scheduled videos. So don't expect any like update videos. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. And bye.